Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuit cake at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of digestive biscuits, 100 grams of unsalted butter, and 50 grams of cocoa powder. Don't forget 100 milliliters of milk and 50 grams of sugar for sweetness. These simple items are the foundation for a delicious, no-bake treat that everyone will love. Next, let's prepare the base. Start by crushing your digestive biscuits into fine crumbs. A food processor or a Ziploc bag and rolling pin work perfectly. In a separate pan, gently melt the 100 grams of unsalted butter. Once melted, combine it thoroughly with the biscuit crumbs. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of an 8-inch springform pan, creating an even layer. Now for the rich chocolate layer. In a saucepan, whisk together the 50 grams of cocoa powder with 100 milliliters of milk until smooth. Stir in 50 grams of sugar. Cook this mixture over low heat, stirring constantly, until it thickens slightly, about 5 minutes. This creates a luscious, fudgy topping. Carefully pour this warm chocolate mixture evenly over your prepared biscuit base. Finally, the easiest part, chilling and serving. Place your biscuit cake in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours or ideally overnight. This allows the cake to set completely, ensuring perfect slices. Once firm, you can garnish it with chocolate shavings, fresh berries, or a dusting of cocoa powder. Slice and enjoy this wonderfully simple, no-bake biscuit cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.